What have we learned? Well, okay, I think we've learned two main things. One,
I will tell you what
you
we
tell
learned.
me what we learned.
We learned there are two different types of data.
Good job.
One is a number called integer. Another one is a text called string. Now, how do you store?
Wait. What do we need to create an integer? What do we have to write?
A number.
Just write a number. What about with string?
Quotes.
Good. Okay. What's the next thing we learned?
Variable.
Great.
How to store this information.
Okay.
And when it's text, always remember quotes.
Yeah, that's right. Well, that's because we're assigning a variable, right?
Uh-huh.
Like first name to equal
So one
text.
question. What's that line called between first and name?
An underscore.
So when you make a space in saying something, do you need an underscore?
Yeah.
Okay.
To the computer, this is a continuous text.
So if you wrote first name,
If you wrote first space name, that won't work.
so okay, and if you continued the word name after that, you would have an underscore as well.
Yeah, if you wrote first name, last name.
Okay. Shift return.
Now, if I want to see it, I can just actually begin typing for FI. You see this? Now I can move my cursor up and down and press return.
Okay. Got it.
Good?
Yes. So a space. When writing, you need a space. Use underscore. Got it.